Years. Today we saw Kruger United, of course, advancing to the Betway Premiership following an impressive season in the Motsepe Foundation Championship. Now the big question is, who will be crowned the winners of the Betway Premiership come the 23rd of May? This is why we are calling it the month of mayhem on your World of Champions, because for Orlando Pirates, the champagne has been put on ice courtesy of Devon City following yesterday's goalless draw. Esigodini sikaMamindlela. Is there now hope for Masandawana that they could potentially claim number 9 when it comes to the Betway Premiership, or will Edgar Magebula clinch the Premiership for the first time in 14 years? You are all welcome to engage with us online using that hashtag #SSFanbase. It's the biggest show on television on a Sunday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you.
As much as people may say, I don't think that anyone has tried to play 7 matches in 21 days. I think the calendar beating us. Most of all, the calendar beating us. Let's see what is going to happen, but it's tough. I said at the beginning of the season, at the middle of the season, that probably the title will be played until the end of this season, the last game. So let's go to take it to be champion in the last game. I think it's possible.
It's also played for on match day 30 of the Betway Premiership. For Orlando Pirates, they want to lift the Betway Premiership for the first time since the 2011-2012 season. For Ovid College, they are looking at surviving the first season, of course, in top flight football. Good evening and welcome to an exciting episode of SSFanbase with myself, Lindy Redube, the birthday girl, alongside our star-studded cast in studio. Let me start with you, Mutloka, because yesterday what we saw Esigodini sikaMamindlela at the Orlando Amstel Arena, probably the lowest block we've seen all season from Devon City ne Orlando Pirates.
Thank you, Lindy. When I said I'm only Serapetiwa. A big Mamanton, thank you. Lindy, yesterday game at Orlando. It was hard. That's why I give my free journey, League my free journey. Whatever parents say. What parents know fit a galore what ragadi we want to give me 90 minutes, Devon City. Yeah, 20 minutes. Try pera Turiano apa. But Ligas, Ellen Tabula Mava. Mawane the champagne was there, everything was there. Rose the Pisa Rowale, Rowalam Pompela. But yes, Rosari Asila, Rumijum Pompela. Lindy, Grabalaga Ligia P2 to say, if I got to I feel a ranwa. The boys play well. Everybody was playing well. Yesterday the coach brings Slepe. Omano coachela, or a chance I know who just Slepe, since someone in Mupitui. Mara yesterday he put in number 6, he put Magala outside. But for Pirates, Lindy will fight. We win as a team. I'm a president now. I never wish out to you, worry. You wish a friend or I go president. I'm a president there. At Pompela. We'll go. Everybody play yesterday, play well. The supporters are really Orlando, sold out, Tata early, but for Orlando Pirates, will fight until the end. Supporter for Pirates must come to Pompela, but support the team. That's all really man, but throw him away. I'll try to lose, throw him away. And then into the Galax. I think Galax. If you mostly Galax, legally be feeding. Level as an house if you enjoy Ngekalasi sanosi le Galaxy ligewa isawe yo tsamada a re bo modumo Pirates ntatu kosa papa go botsa re ochi I wish the boys the masunte ka for papa rena I tsware re leboe lo motho ba yona go ba lokile sa something go Orlando wa Palmara ba bangwe ba menya o tshwala mavini ba no toa ba lo metsi ba le raka Durban mara ndi motho kwa o montone re fa ba mo chance ba menya le ndi but the game o bone musa last go ba tshaka go duya a tshaka ja fufa re tsuri sa tshisi win but for Orlando Pirates gentlemen we love you. Let's support the team, win, draw and lose. Next week in Pompela, the boss must come. They must stop that thing about Mfanaga Maputo. That isn't still young, we must support him. He must still play for Pirates.
Alright, thank you, Skimmy. But Musa, I mean, you look at Orlando Pirates and a team like Durban City are fighting to finish in the top 8. But how difficult is it to face a team that's in the relegation zone, in Orbit College, because they want to survive in top flight football?
Yeah, Lindy. Usakhumbula lena coach alake lathi football will humble you. The team lena nebedlala Orlando Pirates le izolo. Idlala ama draw amaningi and le team mongayibheka the reason why they were playing system bayidlala i-6-3-1. Their team leya iyazi ukuthi lama draw azoyisiza ngani. Namahlapa ilandele emuva lapha ana -4 oyi2 iswelele. Another team, the Stellenbosch. So now my team I jump the team but it's a very, very strong team, tough team, good drama throw. Meaning he's a king of throws because their team is tough, young. But I would say on the parade also play very well. It's just if you like he's not on your side, you will always have to dig deeper. We hope Uti Labaya Konamanje. Embombela basazama but ekunzima sisi angifuni ukutshela manga is up to you on Orlando Pirates manje ukuthi yenza kanjani but mina into engibonayo sisi kuzoba tough iligi lezophela tough very tough but well done to yona le team le ukuthi qualify for top 8 it might face Sundowns or Pirate ku MTN 8 yona le team le ba throw season so that's what I see ngayo le team but iplan ebebanayo ukwenza sure ba consolidate i-top 8 ngawo la matrola.
I mean, Coach Wadu did say that we can smell the trophy, but we know that we can't touch it yet. Modao, don't you think that as part of planning for that match day fixture, you know that teams are going to play a low block? So you need to prepare for that because even Orbits have seen how Durban City played and got that draw. They need a draw or a victory to ensure that they stay in top flight.
Yeah, Lindy, thank you, Lindy. So now just that game for yesterday for Durban City, it gives us a way forward because yesterday we see Durban City, they play 6-3-1. They were playing a low block, Lindy. We tried by all means to penetrate, but it was not to be. So that now all roads lead to Mbombela. So at Mbombela now, back to the technical team and drawing balls so that they can plan with the Orbit team with the low block, how to unlock the low block. But Lindy, for me, Lindy, Coach Wadu says, now they can smell it, but they can't touch it. But at Mbombela now, Lindy, we're going to see it because the cup will be there at Mbombela. The cup will be there, we're going to see it, not smelling it. When we go to the field, we're going to pass the cup. So we're seeing it. So everything now Lindy leads to Mbombela, then all the parents have to do it ourselves at Mbombela and remind Lindy at Mbombela, we win at the cup. This is it, we win MTN 8 at Mbombela. So Mbombela is a good advantage ground for us. So everything will finish at Mbombela. Even though Lindy we know that it's going to be tough because Orbit as well, they're fighting for their lives to remain at the Betway Premiership. Yeah. But everyone at Orlando Pirates now, we want to win this cup for our chairman, Dr. Edwin Khoza, because the PSL now is one of the good PSL league in the world. In the world, yeah. Because if you check now, the PSL is competing with the EPL. Also, the EPL also, the last game of the league is going to determine where the league is going. It's like the PSL. So we thank the leadership of Dr. Edwin Khoza together with the board of directors, with Dr. Kizam Tao. So Lindy, this league is going to Orlando Pirates. We want it.
But yeah, we've seen the likes of Stellenbosch, Kaizer Chiefs, Richards Bay and TS Galaxy frustrating Mamelodi Sundowns. Jabu, this league is yours to lose.
Sislindish, good tough gone, especially from yesterday. But Sislindi, my views are recorded about the coach, particularly when it comes to surprises.
Yes.
In as far as the lineup is concerned. You see, there are games to PSL that we call a game of consequences. in those games you should prepare very well, especially when you're at home. You know very well that when you win that game, you have taken the league, you are a champ. So you don't gamble with such games. You can take chances. I'm saying take nothing away from Selepe, but win the game in Orlando. Introduce Selepe when you go to
Mbombela.
So that's what you do. Over and above that, we had 19 corner kicks yesterday, and we couldn't convert one. So it also shows that when it comes to set pieces, there's something that we are not doing as a team. But also kubangani bambe Chiefs. Sithe sizowina ileague sisilindi. Asisho ukuthi sizoyiwina
Nini?
Sithenje so win league, but asisho ukuthi izona. So sisilindi, all that we can say is that Orlando Pirates faithfuls, let's go to Mbombela and definitely show. Of course, the Orbit now is not going to be an easy opponent. They are fighting ukuthi bangayibo relegation. But manje unfortunately siyokhiphela isibhongo phezukwayo ngoba phela iyona esibhekene nayo. And definitely we're taking the league sisilindi. Akunala iyakhona this time.
Basisekusele kancane sizophumelela. Amabhakaniya failed to score for the first time since that goalless draw against Kukune in Jan 2026. Makgabo, do you have the BMT to beat Orbit on Saturday?
Yes, we have our B like Nageta team Marina, the B team here in House Lindy. Even if local level like yesterday, our boys like they worked so hard. It's just that when Mudimare, my sons, not like you are not lifting the cup this week, no one can change that House Lindy. So let me talk to the Bacania fans, guys. Let's stop this thing. I already blame the individual. Like we win together, we lose together. And then the hit that we are feeling, House Lindy, even the players, Jarena, they are feeling it. Come next week, House Lindy, you will see what the players, Jarena, they want this league. We are lifting the trophy this weekend, House Lindy. Thank you.
Lindy, how are you, 50K?
I am great, Musa.
Lindy, ngumlomo ungathethimanga mina. Ngasho batshelile ngathi bayodraw eDurban City. Mshilo ngathi anizodraw eDurban City. eDurban City Lindy lewedlala ngakhona the studio ground. Laphana esigodini wonke amafans laphana weBhakaniya yonke but iDurban City they stood there and they defended ukuthi bathole le draw leyo and futhi njengoba ngisasho futhi ake bayithathe league akuna league eOrlando lindiwe mamela yabona manje shaya speaker sokugcina ke manje sishaya speaker sokugcina siyofutha siyobheta akuna league eNtuzane eOrlando ngicela yokugcina Lindy ngicela yombombela i-security ibe tight ngisacela msasithandele sasihle asifuna ukumoshakalelwa namakhamera futhi sicela ukuthi i-security ibe tight akuna league eOrlando awuyobit ila yadraw futhi iyawina akuna ukuthi mina ngizophatha stress or ngizofa hey guys angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu mara okusalayo akuna league Lindy and what I want to say futhi i-Orbit nayo njengoba ngishiya ukuthi it will need 3 points. They are professionals and they are fighting for their lives. So imagine, do you think if parents job igcwele eOrlando nabasana ithemba bahluleke on the home ground akusana themba banalo bayancancazela bathukile bahleli nje bayakhuluma nabo nje bakhuluma isikhuluma sasizwa la bathi bayawina akuna league ethathwa ayina league eOrlando.
Sisilindi.
Yes.
Ake sibingelele ezweni. Sibingelele phansi ophongolo LPG. Sibingelele amabhakani yonke. Amabhakani yami lingakhathazeki umsindo kaBramus. Omusa basalindi nokuthi kube mnyama bathakathe mina. Uyezwa isound yomuntu okhuluma from ama pain. Enokuhlungu ukuthi khuluma umuntu ongena khapha ongayazi nangephunga. We understand. Ukhuluma nje indaba esekude naye. Instead thina sisambongela ukuthi at least this season ukutop 3. But kunaloko sekajumpela endabeni ezikude naye. Mabhakani yami ngisasho into eyodwa mina. Sithi sibasa ama price stand kwi game yeSundowns neTS Galaxy. Awakacishwa. inyama isase-on indaba isembombela njengoba esho uBram Teti embombela mabengena abafana bephuma phansi kwethanele bawudlula eceleni kwekhapha besifuna ikhapha thina because even izolo kube besiwinile bese-ke siyiqukule kodwa imbombela is like i-Orlando Stadium ungizwa kahle inyama sisilindi iyogqilezeka ngisasho into eyodwa Saturday singamabhakaniya siyogeza ngesobho usule ngenyama come Saturday lokhu kama-brain stand kuphela umatch sokuphela inyama come Saturday nongayidli inyama yolala idlile le league le we don't care nge-orbit sisilindi i-orbit of course ngokwama-point nangokwe-position ekuyo ayikho right kodwa into engisho we-orbit awukho right iba worse sandaba lokhu hamba kwakho yeleague uyakhona mabhakaniya relaxani ningathusa umsindo womusa nabangani bakhe kuzoba mnandi ezweni.
Okay, Amabagani are just 2 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns. It's all or nothing for them on Saturday as they take on Orbits in Mbombela. Vox and Elliot Wasara joining us. Vox, let me start with you, Bagania. How are you feeling after results at Mawani? Because had you won yesterday, Benzo Yagumet State in enough pressure.
Greetings, everyone. Happy birthday, Lynn.
Thank you, Vox.
We love you every day. We love you very much. And then for yesterday, Lindsay, it was not all about us not playing good football. It was all about luck yesterday. Low block is part of the game. And you see, today I'm not available on the studio because I was sent by supporters to go to buy meat. Ufrank umthumile uthi ngiyothenga meat siyohlangana eMbombela. Yeah, and then I just want to thank everyone who traveled all the way from different provinces yesterday. They arrived early in time and there were no incidents reported. Everyone was safe until the last minute of the game. So now is the last week that we need to take very seriously. We are driving to Mbombela. Orbit is our baby. Don't worry about Orbit. Musa must just drink Maheu Ave Mnandi. Give Musa water there and banana because Musa Uzo for Abulawa Itizio. Musa must look at his own business, leave Pirates' business alone. Because next week, love us or hate us, league belongs to Orlando Pirates. It's just a matter of time to touch it because we couldn't touch it when we were in Polokwane. Even myself now, I can smell it. I just want to thank everyone who has managed to travel every Sunday. Abu Mutlokwa, Abu Musa, Abu Vuyo, everyone, they always have time. Those guys, Nabu Frank, everyone, guys, from Vox O2, Wale Bagania, and see you on Mbombela. Rokababa to the guys, Rokababa to Rawale Kapu, Rakaifeta Sunday. Enjoy your birthday. Love you very much.
Thank you so much, Vox. Well, Esgama Kepula need nothing but a victory to lift the Betway Premiership for the very first time in 14 years. Please continue chatting to us online using that hashtag #SSFanbase. The conversation continues after this.
It was a difficult game. We knew it wasn't going to be easy. And I think today it was tough, and if we took our chances, it was going to be a different outcome. But we have one game remaining, and that's our main focus.
Yeah, it was very difficult from the beginning to the end. Yeah, they came to defend and they did it very well. I think they were doing it the whole week. So yeah, we also tried to create chances. We didn't convert them. So I think we could have just converted our chances and we will be having a different conversation now.
I want to ask, was there something different about the build-up to this weekend based on what happened with Ikeme Sundowns and TS Galaxy a couple of days ago?
Yeah, I think obviously it gave us the advantage. The league now is in our hands. So I think we just have to win our last game, then we have it in our hands. So I think the Sundowns and TS Galaxy game gave us a very high confidence to go on to the next game. So I think, we just have to win the next game and then, we'll have the league.
Number of fans, Oswin, are going to be traveling up to Mbombela next week. Your message to them as you want to eventually get it over the line and be champions of South Africa?
Yes, today, it was full house, they supported us in numbers. You know, I know that might feel a little disappointed with the draw, you know, but we still have a game next week, and I know they will come in numbers to support us.
Strong match day winning squad in studio as we chat all things match week 29 of the Betway Premiership. We should focus now to the Moses Mabhida Stadium where Amakhosi were 1-0 winners over AmaZulu. Third place, done and dusted, cemented for them Togo. You guys are ending off the season in fine fashion.
Lindy, siyasasho ukuthi position 3 sayithatha simtshela Wiseman ukuthi my brother, position 3 is our position. I mean, if you look at the game there, AmaZulu, we've completed about 374 passes. Uri Frosla, a complete I-49. Free Frosla. So with the 62 ball position and 4 shot on target. So besongenelela AmaZulu and I mean Taras Trooper because since 2024 so we wanted those points so that we've got 54 points now. Then we are going, if we win the game against Ichipa United, then so was going to see 57 points, which is achievable, and we are going to fight for those points. Then come across some and this moment, my friends, that are put me in numbers like Izolo, we saying rise, rise.
Amakhosi ajabulile after finishing outside of the top 8 last season to a 3rd place finish this season. Lelepo with his 5th goal yesterday of the season against USU. Tuvuyo manje wabe sakakhipha ijezi sakathola red card manje isizini ingakapheli.
Lindy, before ngiphendula ngithanda ukubongela abo coach bami, what a great season. You know, Cares, Yusuf, we really appreciate your work, guys. You did well for the team. And also, I would like to welcome Kruger in the Betway Premiership. Coming to your question, you know what, Lindy, sometimes, you know, man, when you are happy, you forget a committee before, you know. Ukhohliwe ukuthi bekanamakhadi ayi-2 ayellow. I even saw nama player bemtshela ukuthi hayi boy, don't forget about the red card. He even cried. That's where it even made my heart worse. Then i-action angiyibonanga, but bengise-Orlando esigodini. But ngenze sure ukuthi mangibuye eOrlando ngiyobheka i-repeat. Ungathi hayibo wena ngakutshela ngathi ngamtshela Lindy angathi hayibo ngoba ngamtshela ngathi number 3 I put a cement there angeke amthola. Then let me come to the game, Lindy. It was not easy also to play against Manget. If you look at the final score 1-0, that thing it tells you with playing against 2 Wiseman, it was not going to be easy. Remember, Umangete knows Kaizer Chiefs in and out. Understand? He knows Abu Villagas, you know. So it was not going to be easy for us. There's our extend La Payana, Abafana improve. And I'm also proud of the goalkeeper AmaZulu. He can put a good shift to that boy in terms of Maklal, you know. The technique the movement positioning himself. Ngakhohlwa no goalkeeper wami Peter Sini, keeping up the good work, keeping us going, keeping the clean sheet, you know. I also told you last week about Uvilagaz.
Yes, yeah.
Let me talk about where the goal come from. The boy created a goal. The goal is El Koro Uvilagaz. You know, Lama champagne pass work. So, coach, I think in the game you're clean. Agavele nje futhi le game yokugcina noma singadlala draw because of the third party we are done. We're going to cap now, you know. Akathathe wonke lama play bengadlali lapha. Bakhe ba taste igame abafaki. Nayo uVilakazi akaqala igame. Even the next season, coaches Somthol, let the boy start the game because the boy is hungry. He's got a lot of talent, boy. So abo coach abayindawo and awume kancane leyo ayikufuni yethu natural. Lindiwe, thank you.
Thank you, Vuyo. Yeah, as Vuyo rightfully said, Peter Sin was the difference, of course, for Amakhosi with all those saves. People are saying, hey, Funupita Sin Ayagu World Cup. But for Usuthu, I mean, when the season started, Wiseman, President Usandile Zungu said he wants a top 4 finish. And it's looking good. I mean, this is what President Sandile Zungu wanted. Wiseman. Like if
Sislindi, President Ifiso Zak, I think is officer because we are still sitting at position 4. So create a lot of chances. There were clear chances Umakogolo against Peterson, but he didn't convert it. But for this season, let's give Arthur and the boys Sibani Zandla. Basebenzeka cool this season. Let's hope next season. I think we need to beef up somehow, somewhere to get more experienced strikers who can convert a goal. Because interceding a cool goal more than anything. So if it's create more chances na goal, one a problem. So let's give boys Ilokoza izandla badlale kahle kakhulu this season, but unfortunately yesterday asikhonanga ukuyina ezidlala nabo Vuyo. But next time siyabuya ku-MTN 8 next season bafethu sikhona, we are there, so compete. So bengezi like besithathe easy ngoba so balimaza next season. Lokho nje for now sisilinde ngakusho.
Thank you, Wiseman. It's been an incredible season for Usuthu, both on and off the pitch. You can see that Usnenjabulo Zungu is doing all the work when it comes to marketing and the branding of the team. And for Umangete, he's doing all the work on the pitch for Usuthu. I mean, for Amakosi, Ajabulile, Smanga, when uzizwa kanjani after performance Aizon, of course.
Someone else's Linda, and happy birthday once again. And then I'm happy with this calling to 3 points once again. Ektala sakte no reach this stage since Skarsga Mittendorp. So which I hope with next season so we can do much better than this stage. Yes. Salute.
Hi Lindy.
Hello.
First and foremost, let me wish you a very, very good birthday. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Secondly, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our newcomers in the top 8, which is Kaizer Chiefs. You are welcome, boys. It has been long overdue.
Yeah.
Now you are back at the top 8. We like to welcome you. Thirdly and lastly, I would like to give this one to Orlando Pirates. That they must bear in mind that in this Betway Premiership, there are potential party spoilers. That is what they must bear in mind. They are just forgetting and rushing on things. Anticipation, anticipation. Yeah. It's just that maybe we don't know there are some other technicalities which are beyond our comprehension and coming to orbit. But if ever it was a different team, I will count Pirates out of the top 8. The way they are playing, if you are unable to unlock a low block, then you are lost. Thank you.
Mervin.
Sislindiwe, Agulu Medise, once again, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And then other thing, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns to winning this game. And other thing, congratulations to Orlando Pirates to going to lift the cup. The new one, Betway Premiership. This is obvious. Ukuminya lindiwe leminyile. But manje uyabona ukuthi akusamiyeka mama pray wabona mama pray futhi sinabo ku top 8. And then other thing, congratulations to my team, Confederation Cup and then top 8. Rena bona sticking this season bafana ba rena ba bapetsa go lindiwe ra ba le bosha ba page strong le di coach na dizamile but la ga ile gore ba re fetsi somewhere ba ya go di substitute or chop and change every game. But change ba 1, 2, 3. But this season is the best season for us. You understand? Baba build too much. The whole technical team and the players, everyone. As a little supporter, they fight and then by thing. Baba that thing in supporter na Leon. like let's go for the branch house like chicken and branch from Limpopo but travel from Gaya go tama Gauteng but fa ba matita khaletse gore ba pale game yesterday ba petsa ba fana ba rena and then now I was at Orlando and then I was watching my boys and my phone understand
courtesy of DSTV
yeah it's better life Lindiwe understand better life and another thing and then man I was disappointed got Lilepo man Lilepo is a professional player man we can't do this thing Lindiwe man we are professional player under 12 we score our players keepers you know what this thing is about yellow card you understand if you take a car or league you can take a t-shirt out and celebrate understand so Lindiwe ke a leboga and then mapagania yang pompela lo celebrate thank you
okay Maman Gahuda well mapagania will face Orbit of course heading to match day 30 following that 2-0 loss against Stellenbosch and they ngiyakhuphukela for Orbit because after Stellenbosch it's straight to Orlando Pirates. That shit is
Lindy, some of Tomaki Arumeris. Happy birthday, all the Lindy. Okokobe. Because football can kill you. One Orlando Mava no Lijon. Move Frank Barabayo Chisanya Malindi. Nalindi, Kisapit, Kiri Sundowns, Equator Mikolo, Nalindi. Paraliki Banki. By the way, okay, what Orlando, Bombena on Nalindi. Yeah, Bombena on Nalindi. Naked OBT Lind. Equator Mikolo, go for Lind.
Orbit effetto jouer che Stellenbosch. Orbit effetto jouer che Stellenbosch.
Bona mara ubona Paris la Roma one. Batori ba tsore ke makhathetse aba khathala Lindi. Na Sundowns position e ke within Lindi. Na Lindi mo ke dlala ntwe serious. Ke swa Club World Cup aga relaxa ke a bua dlala CAF aga relaxa at Landa Airport ba re PSL ke a campaign. Lindi next time ba tape Italy. Sundowns itlo etsa mehlolo. Na ka ke tlo nka league Lindi. Ke sa pita half wa bona no ke go CAF no ke ita pita go CAF Lindi ke dlala Stars of B2 se atla Lindi se mo tseleng se khobile Lindi na ke re Lindi wena happy birthday modimo ole o kokobe Lindi mosebetsi o sebetsang ke mosebetsi o motle Lindi man le man Lindi o shebile ke re modimo o shireletse mo ditseleng mo tsamang teng Lindi modimo a be le wena Lindi
Chile. All right. Renale Elliot Wasara joining us virtually. Magesi, Marumo Gallants and Orbit College all failed to collect maximum points in round 29. Elliot!
Happy birthday! Hey, Durban City understand. Durban City, move up. Durban City. Anyway, happy birthday. Good evening to the viewers at home. Good evening to the guys in the studios. Anyway. Otata Magezi, Yarashay, Jamane, very little hope at least that I go Bloemfontein, they collect the maximum point, but it's just unfortunate, it's football. But they still have a chance. That's why I can Orbit do the business. Go country. Kakwa Obonchor Magis to the business. But sure work of us. Shalam go fast like Pona. I want to put on city Nachi Kamola draw Maruno draw Kamola. Go fast. I want this season league is fantastic. It's very excited. From the bottom on top. I mean, the Sundowns can win the league at home. I'll see what about they deliver Korea league now. You'll never know. But we'll just wait and see. But I like him at all. Orlando, Orlando, you can't buy well like a salt home Nazi, Sundowns have now Catalona. Bye told. So, Mackenzie, pull up your socks, guys. And I had to what Golem by Tavana supporters and then by crew people, show stadium set. Let's go and support Capel and Popo. But chance about way more Betway. Mackenzie, they're not going anywhere. Capel and Popo, Kilalachona. Into my last message, man. I wanna unpack, yeah? Unpacked, Lindy. My bag is ready. My bag is ready, Lindy. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for. I'm asking for the Minister of Swaziland, Kenton McKenzie,
please add me on the group of going to the FIFA World Cup, because I really want to be part of that. My bag is already packed. I'm waiting, Minister. I've been doing a wonderful job for Bafana, doing the World Cup qualifiers as an ambassador, giving people to come to the stadium. Remember last time the stadium was full at Peter Mokaba Stadium. I've done that, my job. Please add me to experience the World Cup also. Thank you, Lindy.
Thank you so much, Elliot. Well, if you can't go, worry not, because you can catch all 104 matches live and in the splendor of high definition on your World of Champions. Well, Makesi, if they don't win their last game, Elliot says Makesi are not going anywhere, but if they fail to win their last game, they are going back to the Motsepe Foundation Championship. A recap of all the fixtures from match week 29 and 30 respectively for Mamelodi Sundowns. Of course, Masandawana suffering a surprising 3-2 defeat against TS Galaxy. There were wins for Amakosi, Lamontville Golden Arrows, Siwelele against Makesi, Stellenbosch 2-0 winners over Orbit College, as well as Orlando Pirates playing to a goalless draw against Durban City, Polokwane City and Marumo Gallants playing to a third consecutive draw. As we take a look at the top half of the Betway Premiership log standing, what does it look like? 2 points separating Ezgimnyama Yinkani against the outgoing champions, Mamelodi Sundowns, or will we see them being crowned once again for the 9th time? It's unfortunate with helicopters or being echo this season, because that would have been so lovely, you know, seeing as we see a trophy gupi, you know, and this is what the bottom half looks like heading into match day 30. Marumo Gallants still unbeaten with Trevor Matiane in charge of the team. However, they are winless in their last 9 matches. Orbit College taking on the league chasing Orlando Pirates and Mbombela. Makesi FC, of course, making the bottom of the log standings on the Betway Premiership. This is what you can look forward to in match day 30 of 30, the big one. Orbit College up against Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs playing host to Chippa United. Marumo Gallants taking on Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch, of course, coming into this one following that victory over Orbit College. Stay with us. We're wrapping up the conversation on the Betway Premiership after this. Use that hashtag online, #SSFanbase. It's Coronation Day in the Motsepe Foundation Championship as Kruger United were crowned winners for the 2025-26 domestic football season. Cape Town City and Milford will contest this year's playoff. They kick off on the 26th of May. You can catch them on your World of Champions. What a season it's been for Kruger, because you look at how long they were on top of the log table. They were there for about 8 weeks. In Milford were there for about 15 weeks, but Kruger iguphi.
Thanks, Lindy, and congratulations to Kruger, Lindy. You know, Kruger, the way they started slow, but when it comes to January, at least they tried to reform the team, and then they came back with a bang. That's why the Baba midfield gonna say because of midfield, Kruger was very, very strong. Coach Andrew Abraham so Kruger they've done very well, Lindy, and they deserve it. Into Balegi, they won Amakimo home ground. Most of them are winning the home ground. So it's easy more winner on Kamakimako go home ground. Then more we are apart, at least they lose one and they win a matter. So that is how they survived it. They survived. Premiership. We are welcoming them, and Mabangela go PSL made them be strong. And I guess good team na champions na Motsepe Foundation na go strong. I think and the foot balance in the lineup yabo the last of game the keep team we has Gucci Mashala and my players working, and they will add more players. Then I guess they will do it with PSL like other teams that we are from Motsepe Aya PSL. Some of the teams they came well and then they are excelling like everything City. Same thing with them. They will come and then that's right.
Thank you for Kruger. Open football in Dinagomone. As a fans, don't take football personal. Okay, people. Yes, football. Lindy Kruger. Welcome Kruger. Zapayam Pomala Giselo Trouble. Lindy, before we look on show one. Next year I want to ask P2. But I can show but change trouble or dress like that. If I remember, I want to dress like that. Or my supporter don't buy the t-shirt anymore. We must go rookies are all years. That thing must go on now must come with another thing. That thing Ora re ba dia sora re sa ka keeper ja Pirates re o rukisa re nna go nna chelete. Betray please next season come with that thing to support all benefit to supporter who travel 9 provinces every day ba shumisa chelete ya bana ba bola grita lantoni. Welcome Kruger to PSL. Let's go change our scheme 2 games will come.
Yep, congratulations once again to Kruger United and a big warm welcome to the biggest league, one of the biggest leagues in the world. Of course, the biggest in Africa, isn't it? Cape Town City were also in action today against Leicester Ford at Dobsonville Stadium. They are back in the playoffs. What can they do differently this time? Because last year they missed out from our playoffs.
Lapha Lindi mawungabheka kulama team lawa aku PSL azorelegatiwa azobanzima ukuthi badlele Cape Town City nale Milford. Remember they did well lapha ku Nedbank. So let's not bank ukuthi they can come with something there. But well done to Cape Town City. It's well run, that team. You can look structure sale team bana yonke into nje that the team can have ukuthi iqhubekele phambili. Mina laba balana two professional which on committees. So I foresee I team u PSL will succumb kulabantu la. They will fall to the Cape Town City there. Azobanzima la umakini la, but I Cape Town City zobuyele.
Okay, they are in the playoffs. Will they face Marumo Gallants? Will they face Orbit College in the playoffs? Let's take a look at the fixtures, of course, when it comes to the promotion, playoffs, relegation. They kick off on the 26th of May. Of course, Cape Town as well as Milford finishing second and third respectively. They get us underway on the 26th. And the team that finishes in position 15 in the Betway Prem will take on Cape Town City on the 30th of May. Milford will also be in action on the 3rd of June, up against the team that will be in the promotion playoffs from the Betway Premiership. The action concludes on the 10th of Jan. Cape Town City up against our team, of course, from the Betway Premiership. It concludes on the 13th. Position 15 up against Milford. Will it be Marumo Gallants? Will it be Orbit College? Or perhaps Makesi will, put a surprise somewhere up there. You have to stay tuned to your World of Champions as it all unfolds on the 23rd of May in the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns, of course, we're in CAF Champions League action. First leg final tonight at the Loftus Versfeld Stadium. Brimudiba with the goal, an all-important goal as they head to Morocco come the 24th of May. What an important goal at home for Masandawana Tashili.
Kamo kasheba kamo kabona na lady ya Masandawana. Kamo yelo Lindi. Obrimi wenze mhlolo Lindi stasa bitu siata Lindi. Kamo yelo Masandawana. Na Lindi Sundowns tasabitu sesikhovile sithe anyane Lindi. Kamo yelo Masandawana. Obrimi uyenze Loftus Stadium Pitori. Kre Masandawana a supporting team rona ke le ba supporta rona go Pitori ke Masandawana ka boyelo Masandawana na le di ribone Masandawana ya go beli ke tseleng Lindi last sorry anya Lindi ke tswa Cairo na di la di Star ke tsiba Cairo ka re ke tsiba aba re 5 bar talenta Lindi ke tswa Cairo na ke la di Star se sa bitu ke slata no Lindi ka boyelo Masandawana. I love you.
Kabuyelo Masandawana, the return leg is on the 24th of May in Rabat. It's Masandawana who are in pole position. Look, Kateni is joining us. Kateni, I'm going to ask, I country yonke ngajabula. Ubuka, Kaizer Chiefs, bawu number 3 kulo bazodlala CAF next season. Sundowns, mayingawini Champions League. Pirates wini league, wonke umuntu uzoba happy.
Ngibingelele studio, ngibingelele ababukeli emakhaya. Bese ngakhohle ukuthi happy birthday kuwena Lindi, ujabule usuku lwakho. No Lindi, ngicabanga abantu abaningi bajabule because siyazi abantu abaningi eSouth Africa abathanda ibhola, basupport iOrlando Pirates, basupport iKaizer Chiefs, basupporta bese kuba khona idlanzane basupport iMamelodi Sundowns. But right now South Africa sonke si behind iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ayisimele kahle lapha kwi-final CAF Champions League. So siyajabula ngoba ekhaya yenze kahle and siyathandaza ukuthi ayithi maseya away ikwazi ukuthi iwine lapha ukuze kubonakala ukuthi nathi South Africa sinawo ama-team astrong siyadominata i-football yethu sikhulile kakhulu sesiyakhona ukuthi sidominate e-Africa so sibonga kakhulu siyibongela ku-Sundowns futhi if ingawina singajabule. I'm not sure about i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi izoyiwina yini i-league, maybe ngayiwina maybe ngeke ngoba abaningi bebezitshela ukuthi e-Orlando iyoqeda i-Orlando Pirates iyoyiphakamisa i-league e-Orlando kodwa kwangenzeka so asazi i-Orbit because nayo i-Orbit iyafayitha yabo. If yenze kahle i-Pirates ingasinda kwi-league but if ihlulekile ukuthola ama-point against i-Orlando Pirates ingashona ehlathini which is into ebaluleke kabi-ke ukugcina i-status se-PSL. Ngicabanga ukuthi izoya all out izozama ngayo yonke indlela ayingadli i-Orlando Pirates ngoba yini iyona game enawo engakwazi i-survive ngayo so igame i-Orlando Pirates ne-Orbit ngeke izibe lula izoba nzima kakhulu. Bese ngibongele nayo i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikwazile ukuba number 3 and iyaya kwi-CAF Champions League. Nathi besifuna kodwa sibonisi ngekusalunga because imidlalo eminingi le esibhala ngayo i-league silahle kakhulu ama-point abeli ukuthi siwathole. Abadlali bebembisa amathuba alula kakhulu. O-coach sport basebenzile because i-team yethu be-creative besikwazi ukwenza amathuba amaningi ukuthi singakora but abadlali bethu bamise ama-goal. So i-Kaizer Chiefs number 3 yayibongela kakhulu
isikhathi Katsheni bonga thina Katsheni ngiyaxolisa ukukhatha isesishaya isikhathi. We obviously can't wrap up the show without telling you what the fan moment of the week is, and after all the exciting action from match day 29, this is your fan moment of the week.
That tackle looked dodgy, and it was. It's Orlando Pirates, champions of 2025-26. Job well done.
Fire, Sharon Fukega, Siema, Wetsechani, Icon. We are Carla Coach Pizzo Dada, Utwema to Discantis Penile, Nibin Dutwet Kunuye ini, Nina Upeti Yomjalo, Siwa Zutrage Ipuso, Enzo Tanaga Stadi, Guilla Pagani Chok 8, Ayachamura Masandawana, Magabe Zinto Simigache, Asazo Pinaga Futi. Aula pake mambo Sundowns namependa pepo ishaka motwa ishaka bili ishaka tatu Orlando Pirates isomele ngempela isenzele lake bosukutila la pake ngempela ukuzeke kwaso ukuthi ithathela pake isoko leseliga izothina la pake iwina le ekhambele emkhaneni ngewokufila against i-Orbit College ngathikele iphuzo leyisiza kakhulu i-Durban City.
We absolutely cannot wait for match day 30 of the Betway Premiership. Sesiyayivala izophela kanjani le season. It's been absolutely incredible. Definitely one for the books. For the first time, the title will go down to the wire since the 2019-2020 season. From myself, Lindy Wedube, our fantastic team in studio and behind the scenes, it's goodbye for now.
We mulu